So, hello guys, we're just playing World Cup Pizza Place, so yeah.
Yeah, and I'm Junior. And
Yeah, you're not gonna.
We're, instead of being in the room with fishes, we're in a room with the playroom, and so there's cars driving down the road and so.
Yeah, 'cause it's raining.
Sorry.
And I just got my drink.
It's been so sunny. Yeah, we've got some sun up here.
And they have it in this game as well,
It's
so
been
yay.
so sunny, but now it's just like
Wait,
raining. Like,
why are they all up?
oh, well, I like the rain. Oh, yeah, because you've got a level.
I have to be a deliverer.
No, you've got to, like, I think, level up, like, because they make this a little different,
Yeah.
haven't they? What? You got 500? I only got 200.
Oh.
Wait, does that mean... Oh, maybe it's because you're new. You made a new account.
No,
Wait, does that
can I
mean...
play this one?
Does that mean when I join, I'm going to get even more?
Start.
Why don't you want to the tutorial? You don't need to.
Yeah, it's because I've never been a delivery on this account. So yeah, just check out the
yeah, I think, just press
check
X.
out the game.
Just press X.
So guys, just check out the game.
And check out our other channel.
Yeah, check out the game we played, Granny and Roblox.
And check out our other channel, Random Last.
This
This is our gaming
I get it.
channel, but like,
Okay, I get it.
Bro spec, then it run, and then it's like, wait forever, wait. You've
Yeah.
done this too early.
Yeah.
You can't change the name.
Yeah,
so-
I said
Sorry.
Random Asters. Random Aster Gamers. Yay. Guys, I'm delivering it to this person. And that's
is that
me.
you?
Yeah, that's me.
I knew it.
Why did it say for me to do it? Okay, I get it now. I don't need your help.
Just press X. Press X.
I know. No, that guy, die. Yes. No. See, I got a present. That's probably a table. See, a table. I already got that. Thanks, bye. Oh, that's on my other account. I got that. No, that's in here. Crashed.
Oh no, my lid. These chairs are so comfortable.
Yeah, they're the spinny chairs which they have in offices.
Yeah, we just can spin on them. They pretty much live in them chairs.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna spin, guys, whilst I'm waiting to join. Spin!
Seriously, no, you in there.
Almost done.
You're almost. She's almost.
I can't even see that.
Yes, I know.
I've got my battery.
I'm stuck.
Oh, that's interesting.
You.
Loaded. 3, 4.
Let's do it with my character because I look so done.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
It's so weird.
I know I look so weird.
Hats! Hats! What hit are you gonna be going for today? And yeah, you've got googly eyes on your head. It's so weird.
Yeah, I know. I forgot about that. I left the one of that. Oh no. What should I wear? Let's wear this.
Well, I'm waiting forever to just get on
I
the
wear
game.
sneakers. I don't. I want to wear this.
59 of 3, 6, 3,
Come on,
3, 6,
hurry up.
4.
Shoulders. I want a pet tiger on my shoulder. I want
It's gonna be here
a
a while,
tiger.
guys.
I want a pet tiger. I want a pet tiger. Oh, I want faces on me. Come on. There has to be a pet tiger. If I passed one, then tell me in the comments. So I need to have it.
Why do you want a pet tiger?
I'm a tiger. I'm a
Is that
tiger.
on show?
I'm a tiger. There's none.
I didn't mean to do that. Wait,
So-
no. I probably joined the game
What?
that you're not even on.
What?
Okay,
just
yes,
wear
you're
this
on.
then.
Choose.
Let's just wear it.
Choose. Is that Elsa? Wait, are you? Oh, what's his name? Friday the 13th. What's his name again? I forgot.
Jason.
Jason,
Jason. This is what I'm gonna look like.
I still need to change.
Yes, I got that
Yay,
video.
you can just keep rejoining the game and getting more money.
Yeah. No, it's only day. Oh yeah, you can. I tried that thing.
Okay.
But tutorial. I don't need to know.
I saw what I wanted.
Yeah.
Players points.
What?
4,000 points.
Oh, this.
Points.
looks like loads of things have changed
Do you know why?
since we last.
Because they hung. Okay.
What?
There we are. This is why
I don't know what these
I want
things in the
the
wall are,
hamster.
but they're game passes or
For some
something.
reason I just
I
started.
keep bashing into the walls.
For some reason I just started. I really want a hamster.
You really want a hamster?
Yeah, I just started to like hamsters.
Oh, I'm wearing a girl outfit.
There's
Who
a
cares?
I wasn't about to laugh.
Hey, what would you like? Hey, huh? What
Oh,
would
yeah,
you like?
Elsa.
Hey. Oh, I want. Now they do pictures. Oh, no, cross you. Just tell me what you want.
This is not cross.
Tell me what you want.
Okay, there, my.
What do you want? Is it that I'm pitching? Shut up. Shut up.
No.
I'm mine with you.
Eat talk.
Yeah, eat it.
Greetings! We sell pizza.
What kind
and
of pizza would you like?
soda.
What kind of pizza
Greetings,
would you
we
like?
sell pizza and
I'm not
soda.
sure.
I
want.
know.
I want. Yeah, I don't know what she said.
Yay!
Pepperoni pizza. Oh, what? What's your favourite pizza? Leave in the comments. I'm gonna drink my. Oh. That's what. My water bottle. My 7. But yeah, which pizza is your best? Sausage, or I'm gonna do one which is not in this game. Sausage, pepperoni, cheese, or
Mountain Dew.
no, what is it called? Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Welcome, what word you like?
Okay.
Welcome, what word you
If
like?
you're on
What
my
word you
side
like?
and you don't like pizza, just put hashtag dislike pizza.
And if you do, hashtag love pizza.
I hate
Pizza. Piece of pizza.
Welcome, may I take you?
I need to get a bigger house. I know. You're like, what? Like, no.
I just froze for a second thinking, are you okay?
No.
Your house is miniature.
Yeah, I know, because I love midgets.
Hello, you guys.
Nash,
Hello,
what can I get for
my
you?
friend. I'm changing mode.
Oi, the manager. I was already doing work. I
The
hate
manager
managers.
put you back to work.
And I was already
Why is
doing
everything getting like Bloxburg? Like E.
Yeah,
Oh, fire extinguisher.
E.
Okay.
everything's E in
What's
games
this
now.
one? E to become the queen.
VIP. May I take your order, Mario?
Demand. They're not even making any pizzas, are they?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm not. Yeah, I'm done. Running into the wall. Let's go to
They're
my
even
house and
making
finish
the
it.
pizzas. No. Yeah. No.
No, I don't want to do that. Delete.
Okay.
Delete.
Where are you? Where
Don't
are
know.
you, bro? Bro, stop.
I'm going
I
outside.
want to see you. I want to see you.
Name.
Do you what? I need to be in this video. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, my friend.
A chihuahua.
Eat. I cannot
get-
easily get in.
You get a white car and get the roof off.
I
Have a
can't
white car.
even
Get in it.
A white car.
Get in this
The
one.
black and white.
Yeah, and color it to white. Make it to white.
No.
Why? Okay, bye.
Where to? I don't even have a pizza. You going to that area?
Yes.
Whoa! This is why.
I'm gonna go to your house, actually.
Hello, you're making the one. You don't put the.
Can I
sausage
go
on,
to
you
your
make-
house?
So this is how you make pizza.
You're opposite.
You put
You're me.
some.
Your door's not open. Please open your door. Open your door, please.
Get
Ma.
ketchup,
Moo.
cheese,
How dare you! You knocked
pepperoni.
down. I'm getting in.
Now
I'm getting.
the cookie. You
How dare they? Oh, it's back to normal.
open. Good boy. Place.
I'm on break. Yeah.
Cook. Yay.
Look at this beautiful outfit. It's me. I did not meant this, guys. I did. You don't know what I'm trying to say, guys.
Perfect.
Right? Not perfect. Boom. Wait. Don't you? Why is the horn like deer horns at the bottom?
Do you know what? Because I think this.
Feel like playing a different game now.
Why? You scared?
Yeah. Feel like playing a different game. Oh yeah, guys. Let me show you a secret in this game.
Oh yeah, I think I
No,
know.
don't tell them.
My ears. I think everyone knows it already.
Da 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 da. But if they don't know.
Even if they don't know.
I did keep it a secret, you idiots. Do you think I would have? If you never said that, I would have never even said to anyone that it's a secret here. I could paint your face. What? Look at me dancing. What? Was it shuffle? No. Swinging. No.
Can I come
I
in?
kicked the table. No, you can't. This is the one I was doing. I was like, hip hop to hip hop to hip hop to.
Oh.
Not cut. Can you see? Maybe no. Tell me if you can see the letters. Wait, I'm gonna speak and then if you do see
No,
them.
you can't.
Hi, my friend. I see you. Wait, I can't see you.
Wait, you done fire? Oh, I see you. I see you.
You see?
He's just like, what?
Yeah.
1 sec, 1 sec. Can
No.
I come to you?
Don't burn me. You're burning me.
I'm coming.
Help! I'm burned. I'm burned. No, I'm dead. Ah, get on fire.
I'm coming.
Help me! I'm dying. I'm dying.
I'm almost
You haven't even got the thing. No, I died. Too late. You should have been the thing.
The fire escapes.
I don't know.
Okay, guys, I feel like this is it for this video today.
Video. I know
Yeah.
it's a short one, but
So, bye
wasn't
guys.
actually
We hope you
Enjoyed
enjoyed
this
video.
this is here.
And remember to
May I take
dislike
care of it?
or
Like,
like,
maybe,
subscribe,
and
and
channel.
notifications.
and don't forget.
Don't forget. Where's the secret?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel,
Where's the
Random
secret
Method.
place again?
We'll leave it down into the description.
The link.
Yeah. Could you scroll down and then it'll say like,
I forgot where the secret place is.
yeah, secret place.
I forgot where it is.
It's by the window.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So bye guys. Bye.
We didn't even
Bye.
know.